We chose Dublin as the destination for our next conference for a couple of reasons. One, of course, is the rich history.
Everything's so close and so local, and the flights are really good, the connections are really good.
The lovely hotels, lovely experiences.
It's a really good opportunity to come to somewhere that's fun and it's business orientated as well, and for us, yeah, we absolutely love Dublin.
We meet many suppliers and it's a one-stop shop.
The suppliers are fab, and I just knew that I would get a lot of mileage out of coming here.
Good hotel people, so yeah, for us, we made some good connections here tonight.
Working with the convention centre was great, and it's actually really helpful to have one person to coordinate everything for us. To have to negotiate with 10, 12 different hotels ourselves would have been too much, and we probably wouldn't have considered the venue, which is what really made the difference for us.
Without them, we could not have chosen the venue we have. Without them, I don't think we'd have actually ended up going to Dublin. So their support was integral to our decision making.
If you want to go to Dublin, this is one of the best events. In fact, it's one of the best events to go to in that sort of social calendar for buyers.
It's an amazing experience and we love it.